बैक टू न्यू वीडियो। आप सभी का स्वागत है मेरी यूट्यूब चैनल कन्नड़ा प्रेम राज। हम आ चुके हैं 6th स्टैंडर्ड के ज्योग्राफी के चैप्टर 2 के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स के साथ। और आज के हमारे चैप्टर का नाम है लेट अस स्टडी द ग्रेटिट्यूड। और आज हम पढ़ने वाले हैं उसके नोट्स और करने वाले हैं उनको कंप्लीट। चलिए नोट्स कंप्लीट करते हैं। सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन, fill in the blanks with appropriate words. To find the exact location of place we need only one parallel and only one meridian. The equator and the prime meridian intersect at each other in the Atlantic Ocean. The continent Antarctica is located around South Pole. The area between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn receive perpendicular rays of light. Various in the intensity of sunlight leads to diversity of planet and animals life. The axis on the earth is tilted at the angle of 22 degree 30. The international day line lies opposite to the prime meridian. Globe standard time is also known as Greenwich Mean Time. To place a mark against the correct option. अभी हम यहाँ पे मार्क तो नहीं दे पाए, पर जो करेक्ट ऑप्शन था हमने उसे टिक कर लिया। तो देयर इट इज 66 डिग्री 30 नॉर्थ पोल. नॉर्थ पैरेलल मीन्स आर्टिक सर्कल. विच पैरेलल बाइसेक्ट द अर्थ इक्वेटर. What is the angular distance of the Arctic Circle from the equator? 66 degree 30. Where do the prime meridian and the equator intersect each other? Atlantic Ocean. Up to which parallel from the equator can the sun rays be perpendicular? Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn. Answers. What would be the latitude of the place on South Pole? 90 degrees south. स्टार्टिंग में आ गए. हाँ, ओके. पहला, read the following statements and correct the wrong ones. While describing the location of the place, mentioning the meridians is sufficient. False. While describing the location of the place, we need to mention the one meridian and one parallel. For describing the extent of a region, it is necessary to assume the latitude and longitude of the certain adjoining region. False. Answer. For describing the extent of region, it is necessary to consider two parallel and two Mediterranean at the extreme end of region. Third, location of a road can be described only with a map. False. The location of a road can be described only with the help of a gratitude on a map. Fourth, 0 degree east Mediterranean and 180 degree east Mediterranean. False. 0 degree prime meridian and 180 degree meridian. Fifth, the extent of a road or a river course is described with the help of latitude of a point in the source and the longitude of a point at the end. False. The extent of a road or a river course is described with the help of latitude and the longitude of a point at the source of longitude and the latitude at the point of end. Sixth, 8 degree 4 north parallel to 36 degree 66 north parallel is correct description of the following of a location. False. Answer 8 degree 4 north parallel to 36 degree 37 degree 66 east west meridian is the correct description of a location. Fourth, answer the following questions in one sentence. Which important parallel line passes through India? Answer, the important parallel line which passes through India is the Tropic of Cancer. How are the pressure belts on Earth formed? The pressure belts on Earth are formed due to the different temperature zones. What is the international date? Answer, the international date line is an imaginary on the surface of the Earth that runs from North Pole to South Pole and is marked with reference to 180 degree meridian. Fifth, give reason for the following. We experience various seasons on the Earth. Answer, we experience various seasons on Earth because the Earth's axis is inclined. The 0 degree altitude or the prime meridian is also known as the Greenwich meridian. The 0 degree altitude or the prime meridian is also known as the Greenwich meridian because it passes through Greenwich Observatory near London. Third and the last question of our video, region diversity in plant and animal life. There is a regional diversity in plant and animal life due to the variation in the इंटेंसिटी ऑफ द सनलाइट. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. आई होप आपको वीडियो पसंद आएगा. अगर वीडियो पसंद आएगा वीडियो को लाइक, वीडियो को शेयर, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब और कमेंट्स में